Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm back with another amazing recipe. It is a very quick recipe. It's a dessert which can be made within 2 to 3 minutes. So let's make together TikTok mug muffin. So first of all, for a mug muffin, you will need a mug, and in that mug crack 2 eggs. And now whisk the egg with the help of a fork. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now mix everything well. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of milk. Now we're gonna mix it well one more time. Now add 2 slices of bread. And now we're gonna combine everything together. Now top it with some chocolate chips. Now we're gonna microwave it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now after 3 to 4 minutes, our mug muffin is ready, and you can see how perfect it looks. It was delicious. It tasted exactly like muffin. So if you want a muffin on the go, you can just make this for your child or for yourself and try it. It was very soft, very delicious, very chocolatey, and you can see we are doing a break test at how perfect it looks. It cooked very quickly, and it depends on your microwave. It took 3 to 4 minutes in mine. If it takes longer in yours, you can give it a longer period. So I really hope you like this recipe. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more TikTok videos, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.